Trebles going. She's done.
The well-known sound around the environs of the cathedral are excellent bells being rung. The bell ringers, with their skills and dedication to the rather peculiar British art of full circle ringing of bells and the changes it enables to produce, are just another of the many volunteers groups involved at the cathedral. Most of us who ring here are also very involved in the bell ringing at other local parish churches in the area and come into the city centre to ensure that the cathedral bells also get rung. I am Andrew Aldrich, and as the ringing master, responsible for ensuring we have a band so that the bells are rung on a weekly basis. I can say that ringing for most of us here is a lifetime pastime, almost an obsession, probably more than just a hobby, that gives some gentle physical activity and equally mental stimulation. We have all ages involved and are always happy to see visitors who wish to know more about us at the Tower, either on a Sunday morning or a Thursday when we normally ring. Equally, we are always looking for those known as lapsed ringers who have previously rung but given up, but now find they have time to return to this absorbing activity and help being part of the team that provides this rather special service of bell ringing to the cathedral and the church in general.